Savannah. Welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest with me. Her name is Sierra. She's my sister. Oh, and another special guest, my dog, who can't leave us alone for a minute. Today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and notificate so you know when all my videos are uploaded, and so you can be part of the twin squad. It's not Van squad today because I have my sister with twins, and we just need that support. Today we are going to be mixing up
for slimes that Mom's
that I can find right now. So we're going to start with one I don't really like. It's this one. It does not stretch that much. And I see the orange in it. So.
Next, we'll be putting this orange slime in there.
Yep, that was wrong.
That's very, very good. But,
Yes! Okay.
but too bad.
We aren't mixing till the end, so we're just going to be like this.
A patty cake.
No, I'm kidding. We're going to...
Next, we'll put...
Hey!
Oh my god.
Is that good?
Is this my...
This is mine.
Ew, what's in there?
Crap, that's the earring. Don't let Sadie eat it. So this is not that good. It's so oily. I think it was from
Benna, that's so oily. What do you put in that?
I think it was the borax. I think I might have added a little too much.
That's too, oily, dude.
And the putty, it's been in here for a couple days and it's melted, so now it's like
Yeah.
Next slime. Let's add this slime. Yeah, this is my next one. Let me see how bad
We'll
it is.
be doing a heart one. No sipping in there, please. I have no idea what she meant. Oh my.
I left it out.
That is so horrible. Look.
Here's a fact. I left it out a lot. 3 days.
3?
And it's not it's almost.
Dude, that slime must be really, really good. She left it out.
This slime is taking over. I love
this
this
small
slime.
slime, I love it.
You don't got all your slimes? Butter slime. The butter slime.
What about slime?
The glitter butter slime.
I don't know where that is.
I'll go.
Oh my god, that's so filled.
Okay. This is not a good slime either. It's super oily too.
Really, I didn't feel it.
Wait, no, it's not.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Ew. That's oily. Put that in.
Just add. See, it's gonna add another one of my slimes. That actually stretches a little bit.
Okay, we're gonna add a heart-shaped one, which is purple, and I love it so much. But we have to put it in.
What?
Sure.
What are you talking?
This heart slime.
Oh yeah, that was actually super. Get on my chair.
Sorry.
This slime.
Oh no, we can't put that in.
A little bit.
No,
A little bit.
we can't put that in.
This much.
Okay. Dude, this sounds so good. I can't. Sorry, I just can't put it
Okay, because we aren't stopping right here, but we're just gonna mix it in right here. That's so pretty. Let's add this side. Oh, we have a container for this?
in. You remember we're gonna split it up.
Oh yeah. Ugh.
Oh my god, that's so big.
And it's good. Let's see if it stretches.
Oh my god.
Not really, but it's so
Because it's so heavy, you can't stretch.
yeah, it's too thick.
Wait, is that glue? No, that's not.
And you can see the purple. That was one of the best slimes. This slime is
No, we're not putting that in. My butter slime can't be put in. I'm putting that in. No, this slime.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get this one out.
How do you get this one out?
Can you pick that up?
No.
It's not ugly yet, but I can feel it coming. See that ugly slime.
Get out there.
Where's Sadie?
Under us.
No, she's not.
Sadie!
guys, we got school canceled, so.
So that's why.
No! Pick it up! Pick it! Guys, this is like. Oh my.
I'm not ready for this.
Okay, we're gonna have my. Pick it up! She freaking will. No! It's just.
People! Oh! Is that all? Wait, some on my foot.
Okay. So.
Do you want to put the foot juice in there?
No! Ew!
Later, just leave that right there.
Look at the glitter.
I don't know how to get the glitter out.
Well, it's gonna sink, so that'll go there.
Wait, should I really put this in?
Yes! It might make the slime really good. It probably
Wait, we have
will.
to stretch it out so it can go everywhere. Let's stretch it out. I really miss you, slime.
Yeah, we will.
Really? Psychopath!
Let's mix it up. Oh my god, it's helping. You can feel the fluffiness. I can tell. This is a freaking.
No! I have to take it back out.
No!
Yeah! Yeah, I have to take
You
it
made me
out.
ruin my new shirt. She does not need to take it out. She's gonna make us a really nice slime. Don't you feel? Just squish right here. See, just squish it. And that's not.
What are you doing?
Oh, hey!
Look at that!
Just leave it. Look at it, guys. This is amazing.
How do you get the slime out?
It's like, oh, see,
there
yeah. Bye bye. You were the best slime, actually. You're one of my first.
No, it was. It was the butter container one.
Yeah, it was, but this
Oh
is.
my god! Oh my god!
Are you
look at
sure
that.
this isn't the best?
No.
Second.
Second best.
That's a mix. I'm sorry, guys. I was gonna wait till the. She's adding it now. It's gonna make it ugly because I have a lot of gray slimes. Because I'm always gray.
Just leave it right
Because
there.
I'm always gray. I'm sad. Because my sister's in the way. How did slime get right there?
Judy had to put this in the middle. It's so horrible. Open the middle. Yeah. It's so horrible. We had to go in the middle.
This is.
Put it right there. Put it in the middle. Put it in the middle. Put it in the middle now. It's so horrible.
Mix.
We're getting beat up, slime.
Oh my
I'm
god.
gonna die real
Look how big, guys. I've never made this big of a slime. Well, I have.
And it took no glue.
Yeah, it did. I just took slimes, guys. If you. OMG. Gosh.
OMG. Look at that. We have to show that camera.
Don't you dare. It's a better way to
You
do
do
it.
that.
It's a better way.
Show them that. Now.
Ain't that pretty, guys? It's like a marble look.
Marble.
Oh, setting you guys up.
Wait, I think this is the last line.
No, it's not. It is.
What? I think we went. Oh, that's so horrible. Look.
Wait.
Yeah.
Sorry. We played catch with this, so it's horrible.
Put it in the middle.
No, just put it at the top. See, it's not even gonna be the top. Oh my gosh, this is like, guys, I need to talk
Savannah,
to
I think it's gonna take all of these containers to put it up.
and we're gonna have to share this because this is really good.
This is mostly my slime, so. You remember that slime that I put the eraser in?
Yeah.
One dropped. Wait, look, don't squeeze it.
Can we go see if there's any more?
There has to be more, Savannah. Go check in my room and in your room.
Okay.
You guys, I put like eraser stuff to go on the bottom of your thing and one of Savannah's slime. And I was so surprised she brought it here with these stuff in it. Look at that. Look at that. Wait, look at that. Look at this. Oh, no, this.
Sierra?
What? You more?
Where's the slime I made from Lily? Well, I'm not adding it, but where is it?
Benna, if Lily watches that, she knows what you got her. Wait, where is that?
Where is it? Guys, you need the slime a little.
We completely found it, and Savannah was giving me a heart attack.
Because I'm probably going to her birthday party.
I'm gonna spend time to get the rest of that out.
Oil.
Add some.
That much? Because we're going to mix a little bit of this in her slime, so we add that much. I added a little more than...
Benna.
That's not a little bit. Guys, you guys are like, oh my god, that's amazing. Guys, this is like a bit... Ah! This is bigger than my face. It's heavier than me.
No, it's not.
Bro, it's not even heavy. It's like I could lift it. What are you doing? Oh. That's spoon. Ew!
See, look at that now.
This is gonna keep me in a chain. Wake up in the morning and
Oh my God, show them that. Show them
Oh,
that.
this piece of clay. This.
Guys, look at that. Look at that.
We might have to add all of this because
But and then you will give Lily a present.
this. No! Yes.
That's really. Oh my God, Savannah, really?
I'm gonna give this to her.
It was also part of my slime, and that took most of your glue. I think you just made a bad choice.
No. I made the best choice. Lily's gonna be like, oh my gosh.
Benna, she's gonna watch this. She's gonna see what you gave to her. Like her parents will let her have that.
What?
Like her parents will let her have that. Is her parents nice? That's my question.
Yes, I met her mom. I don't know about her dad, but I met her mom.
Well, is this really glitter in there or not?
Guys, here is a throwback to 2017. Oh my gosh! Hey guys, me Savannah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making slime with toothpaste and something. Was that a good throwback, guys? No, I was trying to act it out. What are you adding? Look.
This.
That's actually the best side. I'm gonna give this a little bit of this slime to her.
No, let's give all of it to her.
No!
Yeah! All of it.
I at least need the slime.
All. Their sapphire stretches.
It does not stretch far, guys.
No, get the end. Get the end. Okay. Oh. You have a snake! Oh my God, get that. It looks like a lizard. No, don't power it up. Dude, it did look like a lizard until Savannah picked it up. Oh well, wow!
Yes, this was a success. I actually thought it was going to turn into ugly color. Did you?
Wait, look. Okay, look. Okay, look at my fist, guys. Look at my fist. It's bouncing up.
We're going to see a streak. So we're going to give some of this to people that the birthdays might be coming up or something. So, because my other his birthday isn't coming up.
Yeah, Ben, his birthday was a while ago.
When?
Probably like 10 days ago.
Well, I mean, my friend's like,
Wait, he was going to put it in his hair.
yeah, so.
Okay, look at that, guys. Make a big ball. Make a big ball.
So you're gonna make a big ball, pick it up.
Here's my balls. Okay, guys, come here. Come here. Look at that. Look at that.
Guys, let me
slime.
hold it. She's bad. Doesn't that sound like fluffy slime?
Wait, should we add our shaving cream in there?
It will make it bigger.
Yeah, and then we have more slime for people.
Yeah, but I'm gonna, after this video, guys, I'm doing a vlog on my other channel and I'm gonna talk about presents. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Bye.